Today I'll teach you how you guys can delete your avatar on Duolingo. So you want to click on the three dot at the bottom right of your screen and click on where it says profiles. Now from inside profiles, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right and click on where it says profiles again. Now from inside your profile, as you guys can see, you can only see the option called change avatar, because once you create an avatar in Duolingo, you cannot delete it. The only way to delete your avatar is basically to delete your account, which is at the bottom, the red button. You can click on it, but that is just not going to delete your avatar. That is also going to delete every single thing or every data that is linked with your account as well. So you cannot delete your avatar in Duolingo, but you can basically change your avatar into something new. So let's say I don't want this avatar and I want to delete it. What I can do is click on change avatar. From over here, I can change its body size, its body color as well from over here. And I can go and change its eye expression, its face expression, change its hairstyle. I can do whatever I want. I can customize everything about this character. Once I change everything about this character, I need to click on done at the top right. Once I do that, my avatar will be changed. And once my avatar changes, my old avatar will automatically be deleted or removed just like that. So I hope you understand how you guys can delete avatar on Duolingo. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.